I love that crunch. Hi everyone, it's Jaden. Welcome back to my channel where I share my experience and information on health, fitness, and overall self-improvement and optimization. I am back from the gym and I'm about to have my lunch. I shared my salad video yesterday. That's my usual daily salad. So obviously I'm having another one of those today. But it's a little bit different today. It's still same, filled with organic, fresh vegetables, but I'm going a little bit Mediterranean with some wild grilled salmon and some, it's a cheese. It's like feta, but it's a different Greek cheese. It's like a little bit sweeter. I forget the name, but it's milder and sweeter, but the texture is very much like feta. I'm also grilling up, or I grilled up some cauliflower, and I'll have that with the salad as well. Got my salad with my grilled salmon and the cauliflower, and of course we got to start with the Waterloo sparkling water. 0 sugar, 0 calories. Gotta try some of this salmon. Wow. Oh, so delicious. All I added was some sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, garlic powder, and I water sauteed these, so it's literally just like cauliflower, but it tastes so good. If you're trying to lose weight, lose fat, build lean muscles, high nutrient dense, low calorie foods that are natural in their whole food state. So if it's like a cauliflower, it grew out of the earth, is the cauliflower, and you're eating that, that's gonna be the best. So you don't wanna be eating tons of processed stuff. So try to stick with plant-based whole foods. And of course your high quality lean animal protein too. My workouts every day, just better and better. I wake up in almost like down on my knees, like just so thankful that I can get my health back and now my fitness is back on track. And every day is just better. I'm seeing results in my body, my performance. It's really wonderful. I really hope to keep you guys all motivated, inspired, those of you who are recovering from a health crash, or if you've recovered and you are on your path to regaining your fitness and performance. I hope to share my experience and keep you inspired and motivated as well. I think the toughest part for people who are dieting and who wants to drop fat, lower body fat percentages, gain lean muscle, is that they get hungry. But if you eat the right stuff, high nutrient dense foods that are full of fiber, full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and they fill you up. Like this may not have that many calories, but you're not gonna be hungry. And if you're not hungry and you've given yourself enough nutrients and macronutrients, your body's not gonna keep bugging you to eat more and eat more junk. So you wanna eat good stuff, feel satisfied, and that's honestly like the easiest way to get in super good shape and lose fat and stay super healthy as well. I love that crunch. These Kirby cucumbers, lately, again, love them. Wow, that was super delicious. This is so far my progress. It's not obviously where I want to be yet, but I am definitely on track. Very happy with my performance at the gym and in my tennis games. So I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna keep sharing what I'm eating, everything I'm taking, and hopefully I will be able to get my camera person to help me film some of the tennis and workouts that I'm doing and more things I would love to share with you guys. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, you're heavy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share my videos with others. That would really help me expand my audience. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I now have PayPal Donate, so if you're interested in that and you want to support my channel, you can click on the link in my comment section as well as the upper right hand corner of my channel homepage.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. As always, remember, it's never too late to optimize yourself, and you can always start right now. Until next time, I'm Jaden Christopher, and I'm wishing you a thriving day. Bye.